Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on JASMY. On a daily time frame chart, JASMY is still moving inside this descending triangle. Recently, after getting bounced from the support of this triangle, it is reached the resistance, and so far from this low to this high, you can see that it has recovered more than 37.94%, but could not break out this downtrend and resistance of this descending triangle. Here, by the way, at the support of the triangle, we have a very long-term support zone as well that starts from 1.5 cents and goes to 1.2 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been working as support zone here, resistance on here for several weeks, and now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support, and the price line is still moving above this support. By the way, here on this 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern and this descending triangle as well, and so far it has rallied more than 908%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 2.85 cents. You can see we got rejection here, and previously this level has been breaking as a resistance here, and now again it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this very big support of EMA 21. You can see that previously it was breaking as a very long-term resistance, and now after the breakout, it is breaking as a very nice support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Fetch.ai, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 8th of May 2024, and you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first the price line dropped down, completed the leg, entered the buying zone, and then we had a very nice pump and reached the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of JASMY, and first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, since after 22nd of Feb 2024, it is moving inside this descending triangle. And now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. Recently, we have found another uptrend line support here as well. You can see that the movement is now quite squeezed between this uptrend line support and the resistance of this triangle. If the price line breaks down this support, then it can drop down here at the support of the triangle. Once again, approximately at 1.5 cents. And over there, we have a very huge and massive support zone as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that previously this support zone that starts from 1.5 cents and goes to 1.2 cents has been breaking as a support zone here, resistance on here for several weeks. And now after the breakout, it is again breaking as a very strong long-term support zone. We also have another very long-term support of EMA 21 as well that was previously working as a resistance for several weeks or months, and now after the breakout, it worked as a nice support here, and now the price line recently got bounced from the support here as well. Therefore, it will be very difficult for the price line to break down the support of this triangle. You can see that we have this EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart almost at the support of the triangle. Now, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then in case of breaking out the resistance, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at 3.7 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this very long-term resistance of 2.85 cents as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at approximately 5 cents. That had been previously breaking as a resistance here. And now again, it can break as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That can be between 19 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.